If you have a Yaris Cross like this one and you want to find out what the most important filter is on the car, then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and that is a 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross HEV. And the HEV part is important because that means it's a hybrid EV, therefore it has a hybrid battery in it. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you where the most important filter is on the car. And like I alluded to, it's not the engine air filter and it's not the pollen air conditioning filter, it's actually the filter for your hybrid battery. So on this car, much like the 12-volt battery, which I've made a separate video on, the hybrid battery is actually found in the back of the car underneath the rear bench seat. And if you come over to the left hand side of the vehicle, you can actually come down into the footwell and see this grille here. So this is actually the air intake grille for the cooling system to the hybrid battery. So this is where our filter is. Now in a normal case, you should be able to just get your flat screwdriver, put in there and pop that filter door open. But on this one it seems to be super tight, so we're going to take the whole plastic compartment off, and it's really easy to do. As you can see, I've already moved the passenger seat forward there, so we're just going to look around the front of the plastic, and you can see right here there's actually a push clip that you can put a number 2 Phillips screwdriver into. So you're just going to undo the middle part all of the way. You should be able to do most of it with your fingers. And then you can actually take that fully out. Now that is the only thing holding this bit of plastic on. So what we're going to do now is just going to pull it forward, and it allows you to take the whole lot off. And we're going to put that down on the grass here, and I'm going to show you how we get that filter out in a second, or clean it. Just to show you, this is where our hybrid battery's hiding, and this is the fan that actually cools it down. So it's right behind that grille. If you have children or a wife like mine, they tend to stack lots of things in the rear footwells, and you could actually block in that vent. So make sure you don't do that, because you don't want your hybrid battery to actually overheat. Now let's take a look at the filter itself. So these are the 2 tabs that have been a bit hard on this car to get off. So I'm just going to poke them in with my screwdriver. One there. And one there. Now I've done that, that should allow me to take off this cover. So this is what I should have been able to do with the plastic in situ, but wasn't able to on this car. And you can already see this is a brand new car. There's already some bits of dirt in there, so it shows how much it's actually sucking in. So super easy to take off and super easy to clean, but they're really cheap to buy as well. So just to take it off, that's our filter. So you can actually buy these in packs of 2 or 3. So you can actually change them really regular. But you can just get a brush and just brush out any debris that's hidden in there. But you can certainly see how this gets blocked. So once you've got your new one, you can just pop that on like that, making sure all 4 tabs are locked in. So it's all the way sealed like that one is. Then we can go ahead and put it back on the car. So to put it back, you put these 2 tabs in first and rock it round, and then make sure it's clicked in. And then we can go ahead and put that back on the car, making sure it's the right orientation. There are a few tabs here, so you just want to line them up and push that back. Same with around the front, there's one just there. And then we go ahead and put that one in the hole like that. You can actually just push the middle back in. So there you go, that's how to check the hybrid battery filter on a 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross with the HEV system. Make sure you check that out, because you don't want to be replacing your hybrid battery because it's overheated. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.